on this episode of American Travelers. We're exploring the spectacular water of the Philippines and staying on a small island at the Tag Resort in Coron, Palawan. Every night, this resort puts on an amazing fire dance show.
The Tag Resort has over 100 elegantly designed rooms that combine the modern design of native Filipino art. Malu, the guest services manager, was so nice to give us a tour of the resort. There are 2 swimming pools.
This is the main pool for all guests. And this is the more private lagoon pool if you're staying in a premium room, which is called the Tahanda rooms.
During our stay, we enjoyed a less crowded atmosphere. This is so relaxing.
We feel so fortunate to be staying in one of the Tahanda rooms. When entering, you see this breathtaking view of the lagoon pool. This is luxury and relaxation at its best. We have a king-size bed, separate marble sinks, and a rain shower.
This is a standard room on the 3rd floor. There's a marble sink and rain shower as well.
The Tag Resort is fantastic. We're staying in one of their premium rooms, and as you can see, this is pretty luxury.
This is the view from our bed.
Yeah, so we wake up, open the doors, and this is what you get.
This resort, they really care about their guests and they take such good care. We found that being in the Philippines, everybody is so friendly and they're so willing to help. And
yeah, here at the resort, you'll be eating and they're just all watching you, waiting to go and take care of if you drop something or if you need something. They just come to your table and they're ready to serve you.
We're in the town of Coron and it is a very friendly place.
Nightlife is pretty crazy. There's people everywhere. They even have a craft brewery here, which there's only one, but it's really good. And then the town is vibrant at night. You'll see these things they call them trikes, but they're basically a motorcycle with a sidecar that's a cage that you could ride in. The hotel here has their own transportation, but if you want to experience some real Filipino time, take one of those trikes, you ride in the back and you're bouncing around.
It's a real experience.
It's an experience.
Yeah. This hotel wants to be a sustainable resort. So they have a garden and they have fruit trees and they have goats in the back.
And they ask you, instead of using your towel just one time and getting another one, they ask you to go ahead and use it a couple times. Conserve. They want to conserve. They want to make it sustainable, which is a good thing in today's world, you know.
I mean, we've traveled quite a bit, but the Philippines,
it's very beautiful.
It's a must-see, and this place right here is a must-stay.
With our stay, breakfast was included. There's so much to choose from. No one will go hungry here.
We go behind the scenes to meet Tag Resort's head chef Lionel and his pastry chef.
So Chef Jaja is our pastry chef here.
This is a chocolate moist cake. This is our best seller here in Tag Resort.
She takes great care in preparation of her cakes. Here's a few temptations to try during your stay.
Another treat is the intimate dinner for 2. For a special occasion, you will be pampered with this elegant service. This is an exquisite dinner that may even lead to future plans. How about a wedding? Well, that's just what happened to this lucky couple. For your pleasure, the pool bar is well stocked for evening swims.
Another perk is the Tree of Lights. Just a fun place to climb up to the top and get a bird's eye view of the food vendors at night. TAG has a booth, but they invite local food vendors as well. A great venue for sampling native Filipino food. This dessert booth has local favorites like Halo Halo and Mango Whip.
There's local musicians that play every night, and I'm enjoying a glass of TAG's own wine while they play. We would highly recommend staying at the TAG Resort when coming to the beautiful waters of the Philippines. On to our next adventure.
Thanks for watching American Travelers.